Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to save a video in the Filmora application using your Android device. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Filmora application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside the main home page. Once you're in the home page, click on the New Project option. Select the video clip that you'd like to edit from your device's camera roll. After you select your video, click on Import at the bottom right corner. You will now be able to import the video onto your timeline. Make any necessary edits to your video such as trimming, adding transitions, applying filters, and include music as well, according to your choice. And after you are satisfied with the edits, click on the Export button at the top right corner. In the Export setting, tap on the Settings option and select your desired resolution, frames, and format for your video. Remember that higher resolution will result in better quality but may increase the file size. After you are done with the settings, get back by tapping on the cross icon at the top left and then click on the Pro Export or the Free Export button at the bottom of the screen in order to save your video. After selecting one of the options, you will be able to export the video in just a couple of minutes. Do not close your Filmora application or lock your screen until the export process has been completed. After you've completed the export process, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now go to your device's camera roll and you will be able to see the edited video exported from Filmora. So that is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.